3 levels.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. I'm Corban, and that's Mommy holding the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a bubble inside a bubble.
Yes.
So you need sugar, 8 ounces of water. This cup is 8 ounces.
Yep, 8 ounces of water.
Some dish soap.
Dish soap.
A tablespoon.
Yep, 1 tablespoon.
See here?
Yes, and one more thing. Where is our straw? Alright, so let's get started.
Now, the first step is Mommy's going to put 1 tablespoon. Mommy's going to put 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to pour it in.
Alright, yep, so I have 1 tablespoon of sugar here.
It's my favorite. Guys, it's my favorite.
Sugar is your favorite?
Yeah, sugar.
Alright, and Corban's going to put it into the cup here.
And you might think this is disgusting.
Alright,
People, you might.
let's just do it a little bit
You
more.
might think this is disgusting, but after we put this in, we're gonna add a tablespoon of this.
Alright, we're going to put 2 tablespoons
Don't you
of
think
dish
it's
soap in here.
Am I looking like? It's already looking like snow. It's
Yep.
looking like snow.
Alright, can you pour that in there?
Look, because all the little bits are falling.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Alright, so the sugar is going to dissolve into the water. Alright, let's do 1 more tablespoon.
2 tablespoons?
Yep, 2 tablespoons of dish soap.
Why does it say? But it says 1.
Oh no, it just says 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Let's say 1 tablespoon.
Alright, now Corban is going to mix it.
This is disgusting.
Well, this is going to be our bubble solution.
Oh, sorry about this.
Alright, keep going. You're going to stir it until the sugar dissolves.
This is already a bubble solution, right? And look.
Yeah, keep stirring. Alright, now we're going to go to the next step.
Hey.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we have our bubble solution here, and I'm going to dip my fingers into the bubble solution, and I'm going to make a circle about 8 to 10 inches with the bubble solution. So I'm going to dip it all the way in. Yucky. And we're going to make a circle here. Alright, now Corban is gonna take the straw here and blow slowly into the solution to make a bubble. So put it down in the solution. Keep blowing in that bubble. And blow, blow, blow. Yeah, oh! It popped. Alright. Yes, look, he just made a bubble inside of there. Alright, there's your second layer. Oh, your 3rd layer. Good job. Can you do a 4th layer? Oh, they went beside each other. Cool, you did 3 layers. Good job. All right, Corban is going to keep playing with his solution, but we wanted to say
Thanks for watching. Bye.
thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe and hit that big
Whoa,
bell.
that's big.
And also like it. Bye.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And to do 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.